my god, I think I hear someone fighting a bear. Oh my god! Watch out for the bear! Watch out for the bear! Yeah, it's like right outside the farming homestead gate. It's taking like 3 lives. I think we have traps. We need to kill this thing. Yeah, here I got traps on me. Come. Try here. Traps placed. Alright, the bear is taken care of.
Thank you. He killed me.
Damn you, bear. Damn you.
I stepped in somebody's trap, dude.
Beep beep. Take it to land. Yeah.
Caravan, gentlemen, make way for the
We
caravan.
made it.
You are an archer, kids. Go on.
Food check, lad. Food check. Make sure you got all the food you can.
Stay together. Okay,
Don't eat the good food yet. Don't eat the good food. We're not into combat yet. But as soon as you see enemy, you fucking eat that.
What's going on? Okay.
Remnant, let's wait for everybody. Okay?
Fight the bear. Shield wall.
Let's fight it.
Group up. Didn't stand a chance.
Jesus, nice work.
That shotgun eviscerated that shit, dude.
Alright, come on.
Fastest I've seen a bear.
That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Charge them.
Alright, let's come on, let's get the damage in there. Don't let them retreat.
No quarter! No mercy.
Aquaman opens the gate!
Idiot! Push them! Hanging down there, yeah.
Get him, boys, get him! Finish him off!
Push them!
Fucking glorious.
Open the gate! Open the gate!
Shields up.
Good work. Take all
Yeah,
the
shields up, lads. Grab the kids. You've got space in your inventory. Grab the kids.
Don't go outside, archers on the wall, come on. Get them busy.
Formation.
Aim for vodka, he wants it.
Anyone who's not in the front?
X, lad.
Hands on your head.
X.
Shield top your heads. I'm shooting from above. I hope you're doing fine, Novello.
Don't walk in front, Jesus fuck.
I'm aiming for you, Novello, by the way.
Don't do it, I love you.
Okay, I'll shoot Hyber instead.
Nice.
Hold fast.
Penetration achieved. We have to move in.
Group up.
Push.
God! Nobody can move.
Maximo.
Shield wall here.
Alright, take us down.
Grab Soldo.
They're coming.
U formation.
Oh.
Lads, form up, lads. Big, don't fall for it, lad. Make sure we're stabbing.
Form a U! Back up!
Big, get back in.
Arch formation.
If you're not on the front line, lads, get these shields up. Get these shields up. We're getting hit to pieces.
people in the back.
Second
put the
line,
shields
shield
up.
up. Front line, shields down.
Let me circle.
Poke, poke, poke.
Stop throwing flasks into our backs.
Poke, poke, poke.
Stop throwing flasks into the back.
Come on, lads. Keep it calm. We got this. Relax.
Do not throw flasks on the left wall, Cap. Flasks on the left wall.
Stop hitting each other.
Watch out, AS, SDF. Right, nice. Hold flasks. Hold flasks.
Right, so get away from each other if you
Keep your food up. Get some speed.
not this
Throw
one.
flasks on the right wall.
Left.
Right wall, right wall, right wall.
Right wall, lads. Right wall.
Right wall, lads.
Right wall. Don't throw it against our own people. Get a clear shot, then throw it.
Wait.
Oh, shield
Let's go, lads. It's the gap. It's the gap. Form up, lads. Form up. Come on.
Shoulder to shoulder, man.
Slowly, lads. Slowly. Come on.
Together.
Go on, lads. We got this. Throw the numbers. Throw the numbers. They're gonna break, lads. We got this.
Shields up.
Push right, push right. Push left, push right. Hold left, push right.
To the right!
He tries to get to the archer there.
Yeah, they're pushing out to the northwest. Right,
Pull back, pull back, pull back. This way, this way, this way.
pull back.
This way. Pulling back, pulling back, pulling back.
Put your sword away.
Take the hill. Hold here. Hold here, hold here, hold here. Shield wall facing this way, shield wall facing this way.
Right.
Hold here.
Come on, lads. Form up. One wall,
Hold
not
here,
two.
hold here. Shield wall on me, shield wall on me. Hold here.
One more. One more, lads. Come on.
Shield
Oh.
wall here, shield wall here.
They're falling back already.
Hold. Hold fast.
Watch the left, watch the left.
Tighter together, boys, tighter together.
Yeah, we're holding.
Empty here, empty here, empty clean.
Right, let's go. If you're part of the shield, let's go.
Shield wall here, shield wall here, shield wall here.
Guys, charge it, charge, kill these
Push.
They've overextended, lads. No, don't get overextended ourselves, though, lads. Don't get too brave. Don't get too brave. If you're not in the first or second rank, you are in the wrong place, lads. Come on. Like a nice, sexy shield wall.
Oh yeah? Oh, pressing all right now is so fucking good.
Access in silent.
Yeah, it should be excellent. You might need to change the keyboard. If you do, just step back for a minute so you don't get hit by anything there.
I should shoot down on them when they push into the breach.
They're making you attack sides first. They're making you attack sides first.
Stick to the right, stick to the right. Right. Poke. Hold and poke. Don't push and hold and poke. Hold and poke, don't push it. Hold.
One step forward.
Right push.
Keep poking. Yo, we're alive on the right.
Okay, get it. Regroup. Shields, hold.
Alright lads, come on. Fight or die lads, fight or die. Whoa.
Once I pull out my weapon or my shield.
Don't let them flank. Wall stab.
Oh, every test. Come here, you swine.
Go on the right. Good job.
Wakball-a-daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Oh hey, no. I counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in me pocket and I took it to my Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would deceive me. The devil take the women, for they never can be easy. Wash-a-ring-a-ba-doop-a-do. Wakball-a-daddy-o, wakball-a-daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.